If you've ever tried to start your Honda Civic and found the battery drained, you're not alone. Turns out a battery drain is a common problem for many Civic owners, and typically it's connected to a faulty alternator. If your Honda Civic's battery seems to drain overnight or doesn't start after you've been parked, it's likely a problem with the alternator, not the battery itself. The alternator's job is to transform the mechanical energy produced by the engine into electrical energy. Some of that electric energy goes into powering components like dashboard instruments and windshield wipers. The alternator's other main purpose is to charge the battery while you drive. A bad alternator results in a battery without the juice to get started again after you've parked your car. If you've noticed your Civic's battery light turning on while you drive, that's likely a strong sign of a bad alternator. Other symptoms include dim or overly bright dashboard lights and malfunctioning accessories. If you jumpstart your Civic and the battery dies again shortly after, you're looking at a bad alternator too. You can take your Civic to a mechanic or an auto parts store if you suspect a faulty alternator. If you've got the tools and know-how to replace your own alternator, an auto parts store will typically test the part for free as long as you purchase the replacement part from them. A mechanic will charge more, but you won't have to worry about doing any of the labor. An average alternator for the Honda Civic costs between $200 and $300 for the part alone. Add on labor and you're looking at a bill of anywhere between $350 and $800. There's such a big range because labor costs vary significantly from shop to shop. Of course, the alternator isn't to blame for every battery problem you might experience with your Honda Civic. If you test your alternator and it turns out that it's healthy, examine other possible causes like an electrical component that's using too much power. Failing that, your battery just might need an upgrade. For more car maintenance tips and to find the best insurance for your Honda, go to getjerry.com.